Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about the famous Keto Drops, a supplement that's revolutionizing the world of diets. If you're looking to lose weight quickly through ketosis, stick around. I'll tell you how this product can transform your body and energy levels. Keto Drops is a liquid supplement designed to help your body enter ketosis faster. It speeds up the natural fat-burning process instead of relying on carbs, helping you achieve visible results in less time. With natural ingredients like raspberry ketones and MCT oil, it also boosts your energy levels. Keto Drops stimulates the body's ketosis process, where fat is burned for energy instead of carbohydrates. By using fat reserves as fuel, it speeds up weight loss. This supplement also helps reduce hunger, increases energy, and improves mental clarity, making it a great ally for those on low-carb diets. Key benefits of Keto Drops include faster weight loss, increased energy and focus, reduced hunger and cravings, improved metabolism and fat-burning efficiency. Keto Drops is perfect for anyone looking to lose weight efficiently, especially those following a low-carb or ketogenic diet. If you're seeking more energy, reduced body fat, and better metabolic health, this supplement could be exactly what you need to reach your weight loss goals. If you're looking for a supplement to enhance your diet and help you reach your goals faster, Keto Drops is an excellent choice. With real benefits and natural ingredients, it could be the ideal solution to accelerate your weight loss journey. It's definitely worth a try.